Learn how to make this delicious black pepper sirloin steak Panda Express recipe. This is the Copycat recipe. It is seriously better than takeout and it's easy to do. All the ingredients and the measurements are in the description below, and the full written recipe is on the site. You're gonna tenderize your sirloin steak. This is the restaurant style trick with baking soda, and I tell you how to do it below. Make the sauce, water, cornstarch, mix that up, then add tomato paste, and you need miso paste. This makes it very umami. Add the spices, stir it, and set it aside. In a low medium heat pan, add the onions and the garlic, then add the mushrooms with a little water. Put a lid so the mushrooms cook quickly. Then add the other vegetables, which is the bell pepper and broccolini. Then add the broccolini florets last. Remove the sauteed vegetables and put them in a bowl. Set them aside. Then your sirloin steak cubes, you're gonna salt them and put them on a very hot pan. You want to sear them so they are golden and seared on the outside and still medium in the inside. Then you're gonna add the sauce. The sauce should be simmering, bubbling immediately. Add the sauteed vegetables, mix that up, and you are almost done with your black pepper sirloin steak Panda Express recipe. So now after you've mixed that up, you're gonna season it with chili flakes, and I like to use ground black peppercorn. It's just very aromatic and fragrant. And that's it, guys. You're all done and your dinner is served. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more easy Asian recipes.